Choosing a renovator is one of the most important decisions a property owner makes. Yet too often, that decision is shaped by guesswork. Online reviews offer opinions, but they are anonymous, unverified, and often incomplete. This is where Hausmark comes in. Not based on popularity or promotions, but on structured evaluation. Every firm is assessed through verified homeowner interviews, project audits, mystery shopper visits, and firm documentation. We evaluate them across 5 values: leadership, service, design, integrity, and professionalism. These symbols are earned through audits. Thumbs up represents aspiring renovators who are dedicated to delivering reliable service and well-crafted design. Highest tier seal for industry leaders delivering excellence across service, design, execution, after sales, and social responsibility. Hausmark, for your clarity, trust, and confidence for your renovation decisions.